guys, it's your girl Slave Harris here, and today I'm reviewing this hair on my head right here. This hair is from wigginshair.com, so it is not AliExpress, but it is from overseas, so you guys already know what I do when it comes to overseas hair to make sure that it's high quality. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch my last hair review and I give you all the details on what I do to make sure that you guys get the same quality hair that I get in the mail, and it's not some sort of trick or none of that. Check my last hair review. I stayed in the very beginning, so you know what I'm talking about. So anyways, if you guys know me, you know that I normally go for like straight hair or wavy hair. I'm not really a curly hair type of girl, but I really did want to mix it up this week, so I decided to get their deep wave hair. Well, actually it's a wig, but it's their deep wave wig. And the reason why I don't usually get curly hair like this is because it's a little bit hard to maintain, and I'm a very lazy get up and go type of girl, so I probably do curly hair like once every 5 months or something like that. But I'm really loving how this is. It's not shedding like the other curly hairs that I usually get are, and it's a lot easier to maintain than I thought it would. Like when I go to bed, I just put these in like 2 big braids, put my little bonnet on, take them out in the morning, and boom, my hair looks like this. And now another thing that I like about curly hair is that if you wet it with water, you basically get a new curl pattern. And this curl pattern is absolutely beautiful when it's wet and when it's dry. But when it's wet, it gives you a different type of natural beauty curl. So this is the difference. This is it when it's dry, and this is it when it's wet. Add a little bit of oil in here to keep the moisture in, and your hair will stay like this all day long with this hair. So I kind of fluctuate between the two. I like it dry, I also like it wet. Depends on my makeup and my outfit and all of that. You know, I have to make sure all of that is intact before I figure out if I want to go dry or wet. But either or looks absolutely beautiful and super natural. So like I said, this is a wig, but the lace on this wig is magnificento. I don't even think that's a language, bitch, but the lace on this is absolutely beautiful. I didn't have to pluck too much. Baby hairs did come with the wig, so it was really easy to just swoop, you know what I'm saying? Only thing I didn't like about this hair is when it came in the mail, a little bit stanky, a little bit stank. A little bit of that little chemical smell or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But you're supposed to wash your hair, so wash your hair and you'll be good to go. I honestly forgot how many inches this is, but I will figure it out and put it in the description box down below for you guys. I'm also gonna leave a link in the description box down below for this exact wig, but they have a bunch of other wigs, straight, wavy, all types of different textures and lengths and stuff like that. So you should definitely check them out. I also love them because they are super inexpensive. You ain't gonna be spending out your whole paycheck to get you some good hair. It's affordable and good quality, and I'm so shocked that it hasn't been shedding everywhere, because when it comes to overseas hair, I just always experience like super duper annoying shedding. This hair isn't giving me no problems whatsoever, and especially curly hair. Curly hair sheds like crazy. This hair has been behaving itself very well. I look crazy because half of it is wet and half of it's dry, but regardless. And I don't know what it is about this hair, but this took me it took a really fast time for me to install it. Normally with wigs, it takes me like maybe an hour and a half. This took me like 15 minutes, and it looks good, you know what I'm saying? I did flat iron the top of it so that it would give me like a more sleek look rather than the curls coming straight from the lace right here. So that is why the top of the head is so straight. Normally, if you weren't gonna do that, the curls would start straight from the lace here and look like it's coming straight out of your scalp. But I don't like that look. That look kind of gives me like grandma, auntie vibes. So I definitely had to sleek it down right here, and I put a little bit of oil in there so that, you know, it maintains its moisture and its curl pattern and all of that. When you have curly hair, you have to remember to always comb from the bottom up, or else you will get tangles and this wave pattern will probably disappear like somebody baby daddy. So you got to make sure you comb from the bottom up. And curly hair, curly weave, curly wig needs moisture, so definitely pick you up some I'll show you exactly what I use to keep my hair, all of my hair, straight, wavy, doesn't matter the pattern. I'm gonna show you what I use to keep it moisturized and good, and it's actually very cheap. You can get it at Walmart. Let me show you. Garnier Fructisque, is that how you pronounce it? Sleek and Shine anti-frizz serum. You just put like 2 pumps of this, rub it rub it within your hand and just do all of that, and your hair will be on point for the rest of forever, okay? Anyways, guys, all the links and everything you need to know is going to be in the description box down below for Wiggins hair. Definitely check them out for your hair needs. Affordable, good, curly, straight, and wavy hair, bitch. Check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try to answer as many as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles!